Overstayed your visa? What used to be ignored might now get you arrested. Starting June 2025, visa overstays are no longer low priority. ICE is showing up at malls, salons, even USCIS interviews. If you're out of status, this could impact your green card, your job, or even your freedom. 1. Trump's June 2025 crackdown begins. On June 1st, a new DHS directive from Secretary Kristi Noem quietly went into effect. It orders ICE, CBP, and USCIS to aggressively enforce visa overstays. What does that mean? Surveillance outside immigration offices, ICE raids targeting overstays, citizenship interviews triggering arrest or denial, USCIS reopening old files to find fraud or inconsistencies. Before June, overstaying was often overlooked unless serious crimes were involved. Now, any overstay is a red flag. 2. What counts as an overstay? It all starts with your I-94, the form that shows how long you were allowed to stay. If you remain past the date without filing an extension or change of status, you begin accruing unlawful presence. Here's what that means. 180 plus days equals 3-year ban. 1+ year equals 10-year ban. Illegal reentry after a prior overstay equals permanent ban. You don't get a warning. The penalty is automatic. Real cases. Maria overstayed a tourist visa by 3 months left hit with a 3-year bar. Lisa overstayed her student visa for 13 months left for green card interview, 10-year ban. 3. Can you still fix it? Yes, but act fast. There are still legal options, but you need to be proactive. I-601 divided by I-601A waivers, based on proving extreme hardship to a U.S. citizen or green card, holding spouse/parent. Examples: medical issues, financial loss, family separation. Adjustment of status. If you overstayed but never left the U.S. and married a U.S. citizen, you may be able to fix it from inside. Advance parole. If granted, you can travel for processing without triggering a bar. 4. The new ICE tactics. Attorneys and clients report ICE waiting outside interviews. Even in 400 citizenship applicants are being detained. Why? Because USCIS is rechecking your entire immigration history. And if they find a past overstay, fraud, or a misstep, they're denying cases or referring them for removal. The scariest part? You could be detained on the same day as your interview. 5. What you must do now. Here's your June 2025 survival checklist. Check your I-94 immediately. Never file blindly. Consult an attorney. Planning to travel? Know if you'll trigger a 3-, 10-, or permanent bar. Keep all records and proof of legal status. Consider adjustment of status or advance parole if eligible. What used to be treated like a minor issue is now being punished like a serious crime. This June 2025 overstay crackdown is real. Stay prepared, stay protected, and never assume you're safe just because you've flown under the radar. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is USA Alert Zone, and we're watching every immigration move so you don't get caught off guard.